Welcome to shul.com. We are reading from a book called Imre, Bina. The Ben Ish Hai, Rabbeinu Yosef Haim ben Eliyahu, they called him Il Hakam in Baghdad. He actually wrote a book of riddles. As a kid growing up, my dad would ask these riddles only on Shabbat, on Friday. Why? Because if you had a pen and paper, you could probably figure it out in a couple of minutes, but he would do it at a time where we had no way to write. We'd have to use our minds. So I'm going to ask the question, and then we'll do a follow-up video on the answer, and we'll leave the comments open so you can put in the comments. So let's take a look. It's here, it's Imre Bina, right there. There it is. I highlighted it, so you can take a look. It's on page Samech Gimel. It's Hidud Bemile Alma, riddles in regular words, because he has riddles in the Torah also in the book. So it's Yud Bet. Let's take a look. עוד שואלים העולם, אחד היה לו כלי, מידתו 10 קבין יין והיה מלא. ויש לו כלי ריקן שמידתו 7 קבין, ויש לו כלי אחר ריקן שמידתו 3 קבין. והוא רוצה לחלק אלו 10 קבין לחצאין, שיהיו 5 קבין, תוך כלי שמידתו 10 ו5 בכלי שמידתו 7. כיצד יחלקם בדיוק ואין לו כלי אחד למדוד בו חוץ מן הכלים הנזכר. I'll explain to you in English. So, there is a wine merchant. Take a look. I made you the barrels there. He's a wine merchant, and he's got himself 3 barrels. That's all he's got. He has a barrel of 10 filled with wine to the top. He's got a barrel of 7 that's empty and a barrel of 3. Okay. Comes to him a individual to the souk, to the marketplace, and tells him, Mr. Wine Merchant, I would like to buy 5 gallons of wine. So the wine merchant said, okay. He said, I have it filled in the 10, and I don't really know how to divide it up. You tell me how to divide it and I'll give you 5. That's the riddle. So you got to figure it out. How did he get 5 gallons using the 10 and mixing them around? And he had to have 5 inside of the 7. So think about it, give me the answer, put it into the comments, and we'll do a follow-up with the answer. This is a riddle from the Ben Ish Hai. I asked this riddle to the teen boys that were in 8th grade. I asked it to about 35 boys. It took them a couple of minutes, and one of the boys, I remember, Blisco, I think it was. He came up with the answer. He remembered it. I was very happy with him. So, Bezat Hashem, let's see if you guys can get the answer. Baruch Adonai le'olam amen v'amen.